Welcome to Quidly and to this brand new video. Everyone says you can get rich with AI, but most of it is pure hype. So today, no fluff. I'll show you 6 real, proven ways people actually make money with AI, the honest mindset that makes them work, and exactly how to start this week. Let's get into it. First, the truth. AI will not make you money while you sleep. It is not a magic money machine. AI is leverage, a tool that multiplies a real skill. And it's already everywhere. By 2026, about 87% of marketers use AI every single week. The people winning were not replaced by AI, they simply learned to use it. So the formula is simple. Pick a skill, let AI multiply your speed, deliver more value, and get paid for that value. Now, the 6 ways. Way 1. AI-powered freelancing. Writing, design, editing, video. You take client work and use AI to deliver it faster and better. Beginners often reach $500 to $2,000 a month within about 90 days, and skilled freelancers go far higher. AI doesn't replace you. It lets one person do the work of 3. Way 2. Content creation. Faceless channels, social media, short videos, exactly like this one. You build an audience while AI helps you script, edit, and post faster. Then you earn from ads, sponsors, and your own products. It takes patience, but it compounds. Way 3. Digital products. Templates, guides, prompt packs, mini courses. You create it once, with AI speeding up the work, then sell it again and again. It's as close to passive income as it gets, but only after the upfront effort. Way 4. AI services for local businesses. Most small businesses have no idea where to start. You set up a chatbot, automate their bookings, or run their marketing with AI. You solve a real problem, and they happily pay you every month. Way 5. AI marketing for your own business or store. Better ads, faster SEO, content, product descriptions in seconds, even AI-generated designs for print on demand. Marketing that used to need a whole team, one person can now run. Way 6. Use AI to learn a high-income skill faster. Treat it as your personal tutor for coding, data, or marketing. Skill up in months, not years, and land a higher-paying job. Now, each of these deserves its own deep dive, and I'll make a full video on every single one, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them. But here's the real secret, the one nobody selling a course wants you to hear. AI is a multiplier. Multiply effort and skill, and you win. Multiply 0, and you still get 0. The schemes that promise money with no skill always collapse. Consistency and actually helping people is what pays. So how do you start this week? Pick just one of these ways. Learn one AI tool well. Make one small offer or post one piece of content. Then do it again tomorrow. Action beats theory every single time. This is education, not financial advice. And real results take real work. If this helped you, subscribe to Quidly. We'll go deeper on each method in the next videos, and comment which one you're starting with. Let's get money smart together.